Today, we're diving into a super practical topic for all you garden enthusiasts and homeowners out there: the best lawn dump carts. Whether you're moving mulch, hauling soil, or transporting tools, a good dump cart can make your outdoor tasks much easier. We've researched and tested the top models on the market to help you find the perfect one for your needs. So stick around as we break down the features, pros, and cons of each. Let's get started. The Gorilla Cart's GOR6PAS heavy-duty pulley yard dump cart is designed to make your gardening and landscaping tasks easier and more efficient. Built with durability and functionality in mind, this cart is a top choice for both amateur gardeners and professional landscapers. It boasts a substantial load capacity of up to 1,200 pounds, allowing you to transport heavy loads of soil, mulch, gravel, and more without multiple trips. Constructed with a rugged, high-quality pulley bed, this dump cart is durable, rust-resistant, and easy to clean. The poly material ensures longevity and can withstand the elements. The innovative steel frame design allows for quick and easy assembly, improved maneuverability, and better ground clearance compared to older models. The quick-release dump feature allows you to unload materials with minimal effort. Equipped with 4 large 13-inch pneumatic tires, the GOR6PAS offers excellent stability and smooth movement across various terrains, including rough and uneven surfaces. Additionally, it has a convertible 2-in-1 handle that can be easily switched from a pull handle to a hitch, allowing you to attach the cart to an ATV or lawn tractor for greater versatility. This dump cart is ideal for a wide range of tasks, including gardening, landscaping, farming, and general yard maintenance. Its large capacity and durable construction make it suitable for both light and heavy-duty use. Next up, we have the Greenworks G40GC, an electric, self-propelled yard dump cart designed to make hauling heavy loads around your yard effortless. This battery-powered cart offers the convenience of self-propulsion, reducing the physical effort required to move heavy loads around your property. The self-propelled drive system significantly reduces strain on your back and arms by allowing the cart to move forward with minimal effort on your part. This feature is particularly useful when navigating uphill or over uneven terrain. Powered by a 40-volt lithium-ion battery, it offers a quiet, emissions-free alternative to gas-powered carts. The battery provides ample runtime to complete your tasks and can be easily recharged. With a load capacity of up to 100 kilograms, this cart can handle a variety of materials, including soil, mulch, plants, and gardening tools. The spacious bed allows you to transport more in fewer trips. It features a sturdy and durable construction designed to withstand regular use. The high-quality materials ensure long-term reliability and performance. The intuitive controls make operating this self-propelled cart simple. The handlebar includes easy access buttons to control the speed and direction, allowing for smooth and precise movement. The adjustable speed settings let you customize the cart's pace to match your walking speed or the demands of the task at hand. This flexibility enhances user comfort and control. As a battery-powered tool, the Greenworks G40GC is an environmentally friendly option that helps reduce your carbon footprint. It produces no emissions and operates quietly, contributing to a healthier environment. At number 3, we have the Ohio Steel 4048P SATV dump cart. This heavy-duty poly-swivel dump cart is designed for use with all-terrain vehicles and utility task vehicles. It's a great choice for hauling large and bulky materials around your yard, farm, or worksite. It has an impressive load capacity of up to 1,250 pounds, allowing you to transport large quantities of soil, gravel, mulch, and other materials efficiently. It features a large 12 cubic foot bed, measuring 48 inches in length and 24 inches in width. The spacious bed size makes it ideal for handling bulkier items and larger loads in one trip. The bed is made from high-density polyethylene that is resistant to rust, dents, and cracks. It's also lightweight and easy to clean. The foot pedal dump release feature allows for easy and controlled dumping of materials. This hands-free mechanism enhances safety and convenience, making it easier to unload the cart's contents precisely where you need them. Equipped with large 18-inch by 8.5-inch pneumatic tires, it provides excellent traction and stability. These high-quality tires enable smooth movement across various terrains, including rough and uneven surfaces. It has a universal hitch attachment that allows it to be easily connected to most all-terrain vehicles, utility task vehicles, and lawn tractors. This dump cart is ideal for a variety of tasks, including gardening, landscaping, farming, and general yard maintenance. Its high capacity and durable design make it suitable for both light and heavy-duty applications. The Ohio Steel 404 8-pounds ATV dump cart is a reliable and efficient solution for those looking to simplify their hauling and dumping tasks. With its high load capacity, durable construction, and versatile design, this cart is an excellent investment for homeowners, gardeners, and professionals alike. At number 4, we have the Craftsman CMXGZBF7124355 dump cart. It is designed to make your outdoor hauling tasks easier and more efficient. Built with high-quality materials and practical features, this dump cart is ideal for homeowners and gardeners looking to transport various materials with ease. It can handle loads up to 750 pounds, making it perfect for transporting soil, mulch, gravel, and other heavy materials. Its substantial load capacity helps you complete tasks more efficiently with fewer trips. Constructed with a high-strength poly bed, this cart is designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The poly material is resistant to rust, dents, and scratches, ensuring long-lasting durability. You can easily empty your cargo with a simple press of the foot pedal. This eliminates the need to manually lift or tilt the bed. Equipped with 16-inch pneumatic tires, the Craftsman dump cart offers excellent stability and smooth movement over various terrains. The large tires provide superior traction and help navigate rough or uneven surfaces with ease. The universal hitch attachment makes it easy to connect the dump cart to most lawn tractors, all-terrain vehicles, and utility task vehicles. This versatility allows you to use the cart with a wide range of vehicles for different tasks. Overall, the Craftsman CMXGZBF7124355 is a dependable dump cart for handling yard hauling tasks. Its sturdy build, foot pedal dump mechanism, and pneumatic tires make it a convenient and user-friendly option for lawn tractor or zero-turn mower owners. At number 5, we have the Polar Trailer 8376 dump cart. This cart is engineered for heavy-duty tasks and designed to make your hauling and dumping projects easier and more efficient. With its robust construction and impressive capacity, this dump cart is ideal for both residential and commercial use. It can handle an impressive load capacity of up to 400 pounds, making it perfect for transporting heavy materials such as soil, gravel, mulch, and more. This high capacity reduces the number of trips needed to complete your tasks. It features a large 10 cubic foot bed with dimensions of 60 inches in length, 27 inches in width, and 27 inches in height. The spacious bed size allows you to carry bulkier items and larger loads with ease. Constructed with a strong steel frame, the Polar Trailer 8376 provides additional support and stability. The frame is powder-coated for added protection against rust and wear, ensuring the cart's longevity. The bed is made from a durable plastic material that resists rust, cracks, and dents. The steel frame provides a strong foundation for the cart, which is sufficient for typical yard use. It comes with minimal parts and requires minimal tools for setup, typically taking around 10 minutes. It has 20-inch solid rubber tires with spoked wheels, which offer puncture resistance and won't go flat. However, they may not provide the smoothest ride on uneven terrain compared to pneumatic tires. Overall, the Polar Trailer 8376 is a user-friendly and affordable option for general yard hauling. It's a good choice for those who need a cart for occasional use or lighter loads. If you require a cart for heavy-duty hauling or frequent use on rough terrain, then a model with a stronger frame and pneumatic tires might be a better choice. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best lawn dump carts. Whether you're tackling heavy-duty hauling or everyday yard tasks, there's a cart here that suits your needs perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more reviews and gardening tips. Feel free to drop a comment with any questions or share your own experiences.